The 3D model object can be used to insert external objects created with 3D solid modelers in a variety of formats such as SketchUp, Collada, Blender, 3D Studio, and so on. To insert a 3D model, just choose the 3D model object from the drawing menu. Then choose the desired model from the catalogue. In floor plan view, a first click attaches the 3D model to the mouse cursor. And a second click fixes it into place and is now assigned to the selected floor plan view in the height reference system. Using the grip here, we can move or rotate our 3D model. In both the 2D or the 3D environment. Among the properties here, you can also decide how to represent the object in the plan view. And define the different height reference system.